Hello guys, good day. This is Mr&Mrs. TechSavvy and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you on how to edit your video, especially for mga aspiring na vloggers who wants to know and learn about video editing. So, ang gamit ko, ang very basic na tools is ang Camtasia. So, gusto ko ituro muna sa inyo ang Camtasia. By Camtasia kasi meron na rin siyang screen recording, and then may mga free tools na rin siya and features for video editing, lalo na yung mga basic lang, lalo na if you want to teach something on YouTube. So okay, so let's now start. Let's now begin. Go to shopee.ph. Siya nga pala guys, dito sa shopee.ph you can search anything na including the software you can use. So here guys, you can check sa mga comments and then ratings if yung software ba na mapapurchase nyo is talagang working or legit. You can also choose guys yung pinaka murang price before buying, and then of course, syempre, ito is not, meron din naman guys na CD siya, or sometimes once you buy the software, you can leave the email so that the seller can email you, and then later on you will download the software provided by the seller. So once na naka-purchase na kayo guys, so you can install the Camtasia, and then when it is installed, then you can open the software and try to explore na lang by yourself. Actually guys, when purchasing this software, the seller can also be your technical support during the installation. Okay, now so guys, since installed naman na sa aking PC, I can just click Camtasia and then let's start for the new project. So okay guys, so to import, once na nandito na kayo sa loob ng Camtasia window, so right click on here and then import media, and then click the file that you want to edit. So click open. So once na meron na po yung inyong video, just click and drag this one sa kung anong track na gusto nyong ilagay. Then actually dito marami talagang pwedeng gawin sa Camtasia, like yung annotations, maglalagay niyo ng mga comments or suggestion if ever gusto niyo maglagay. For example, dito sa taas na to is mag-appear yung inyong text or comments. And then sa transitions naman, ang mga nakalagay dito is ito naman yung inyong mga behavior animation naman pagdating sa inyong first scene. For example, playback natin dito sa umpisa kung anong effect niya. So ganoon guys. Marami kang pwedeng gawin dito guys, like for example, i-group mo to, itong sounds, pwede mo siyang i-group. Wala siyang i-combine yung video at the same time yung kanyang sounds or yung inyong voice recording, and then to ungroup, just right click to ungroup. Pwede rin edit ang inyong audio, palakasin yung volume. Edit your video, especially yan, yung gusto nyo mas malakas or mga so what else, behavior ng inyong let's say dito siguro, try natin behavior, ayan ang video, lahat sa transition from behavior and then animation is nandito yan. Ganon din sa animation. For example, ano bang purpose na itong sa animation na to, ano bang function niya? For example, itong video na to pwede niyong palakihan So, preview natin. Ayan. And then, once na-reach niya na yan, point na yan, dyan siya lalaki. Pwede niya ulit i-pause. Then, create kayo ulit. Paliitin naman at this point. For example, replay. Ayan. And then, at some point, pwede siyang lumiit. Pwede nyo rin siyang pahabain. For example, ayan guys, paunti-unti liliit yung inyong image hanggang ma-reach nyo yung point. And then the cursor effects, if you want to use this cursor effects, ginagamit to once you are teaching online. Very effective to para makita yan ng viewers nyo. Like for example, ganito.
Hello guys, good day. This is Mr&Mrs. TechSavvy.
Pero mas maganda siguro kung cursor highlight ang gagamitin natin.
Hello guys, good day.
Okay, if you are not happy with what you did dito sa, pwede mo ring i-remove or edit yung effects. Cursor highlight, number 1, remove natin or delete. So, para makita mo.
This is Mr&Mrs. TechSavvy.
So, ganyan ka-effect.
Today I'm going to teach you on how to
Nakikita mo lahat ng ginawa mo dito
edit
sa
your videos,
baba,
especially
guys.
for mga aspiring na.
What else you can do? Marami. For example, you can also mute timeline during recording. Kung merong voice dito, pwede mo siyang i-mute and then start your voice recording para hindi kanyo marinig. Para hindi mo marinig yung playback sounds nung nandito sa, na naka-incorporate dito sa video. For example, hello Tess, hello Tess, hello Mike, hello Tess, welcome to Mr&Mrs. TechSavvy. Then, Test Boys. So, ito na siya guys.
For example, hello guys, good day.
Hello Tess, hello Tess, hello Mike, hello Tess, welcome to
Also my YouTube channel.
Mrs.
Today I'm
TechSavvy.
going to teach you.
So, ayan guys. So, pwede kang pwede din mo i-adjust yung voice kung gusto mong i-adjust.
For example, hello Tess, hello Tess, hello Mike, hello Tess, welcome to Mr&Mrs. TechSavvy. On how to edit your videos.
Ayan guys, so all you need to do is click and drag sa pagdating sa pag-edit sa Camtasia. Very useful na tong software na to. Pwede ka na kahit sa isang software lang, you can upload a good video in the YouTube. So meron ding audio effects, fade in.
Hello Tess, hello Tess, hello Mike, hello Tess, welcome to Mr&Mrs. TechSavvy.
Yan, so fade in meaning sa umpisa mababa or no voice at all. At pataasin, pwede mo rin ko.
Hello Tess, welcome to Mr&Mrs.
Marami kang pwede gawin talaga pagdating dito sa video editing. Sa visual effects, click speed. Speed is eto na yung control mo. Now, gawin natin 5. Kung gusto mong pabilisin yung words mo. Guys, try din natin sa isang track natin, itong Jaguar. Paano i-control yung speed. So, same lang din sa ginawa natin sa audio. All we need to do is go to audio effects and then click speed. Drag natin, then set to doon. Then mapapansin nyo guys, dito sa right side is pwede nyo nang i-add control. Or right click, add clip speed. So ganun din siya guys. So for example, if gagawin nating much higher yung speed ng time frame, itaas nyo lang din tong speed. And then if you want to make it slower naman, or to make it in slow motion, and then try to set it to -1. So ayan, papansin nyo na bumagal yung kanyang speed. And if you want to go back to original, then just set it to 1. And everything goes normal. Lahat na nandito guys, Camtasia is already provided para sa ease ng editing ng video. Just click on the tools and then drag it into your timeline. So, kailangan nyo lang guys talaga ng time if you want to learn these video editing tools, and then magandang bagay rin para makapag-produce kayo ng magandang video for your audience. Okay, for the last part, how to convert this video tutorial to make it viewable in YouTube site. All you need to do is go to share, click local file, and then click custom production settings. Choose the best production. Well, in this part, kailangan nyo gawin na MP4 up to 1080 pixels for the best output. And then click next. Okay. And then you can change the file name. Okay, and then click finish. And then this video rendering will take time, so have patience. Next time guys, I will make a video about Canva, and then because this video editing software is also powerful tool para mas mapaganda video editing and ma-improve din ang inyong skills. Just please don't forget to subscribe para ma-alert po kayo whenever there's a new video tutorial about video editing. Until next time guys, thank you very much for watching. Again, this is Mr. and Mrs. TechSavvy.